The black church is no longer an institution for straight black men. The black church should now be recategorized as an LGBTQ black feminist organization. In the following videos, ask yourself, is this an organization that you would entrust raising up strong, straight black men?
It's raining all over me. I'm moist. I'm moist. Call and response, I said I'm moist. I'm moist. Good God, I'm moist.
10 years ago, 12 women, they had to go on a mission to make a...
All right, greetings. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I got my boots on the ground. What is that?
You got pretty legs, man.
Oh, man.
And they lanolated.
Man, listen,
I mean,
I'm back working out.
You put shea butter.
Hey, Sweet Lambs and Jilla Giants. As usual, I am running late for church. I need to hurry up because I have to lead worship.
That hates anybody.
Donc, balefo amede pok gbede o.
But run away from sin.
Voici dans nous vont. Amen.
I would have been crazy.
What's up? So, Metropolitan Community Church is MCC. It is a Christian denomination founded in 1968 with the intentional outreach to the gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender, queer, intersex, affirming, plus community.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy B here again with another Sunday morning fit check.
That's very suspicious from Kirk. Yo, what is going on here?
I'm starting to believe that the church is keeping black women single on purpose.
Listen, you can live however you want to live. That's your choice. But we're going to have to stop playing around and pretending as if the black church as an organization is equipped to train and to build up and to protect straight black men.